Welcome to ExcelBerry. In this video, I will show you a thing that you can do to boost your creativity and save time, and that is by creating your own custom list. For example, you probably knew that you could type in January or the short Jan and then fill it down, and it will automatically have a list that's Jan, Feb, March, and it will go on to the next item. And you can create your own list, and I will show you in this video how. This could be useful if you do the same list all the time. For example, if you work as a business controller and you create a list with the same cities, or if you work in H&R, you create a list with the same names, or in accounting, if you work with, for example, a balance sheet, you could get a list of the different items in a balance sheet or income statement. You decide what lists that you can use to boost your productivity and save time to yourself. So first, here's some examples that's already built into Excel. You have months and you have days. This is already in there in your own language and in English if you use English. And for example, I've created my own custom list with different berries. So when I type in any of the berry, it can be, for example, if I type in cranberry and then fill it down, it will fill from cranberry. So the next item will be red currant and then black currant. So it will take the next item. That's how the custom list works. And how you create your own one is very easy once you know that you can do it. And that is that you go to File, that's in the top left corner. Then you go to Options, it's in the bottom, Advanced, and then you press on Edit Custom Lists, and that is in the bottom. So File, Options, Advanced, and then here in the bottom you have Edit Custom Lists. And here, for example, you can see those lists that I have. I have months and days in both Swedish and English. And also I have these with strawberry and strawberries. So both singular and more than one. So here you go to New List and you enter your items, or if your items are in cells, you can import them directly here by pressing here, select these cells, and then import them. And then they will be listed as entries up here. You press on Add, and then you have your own custom lists. And that will definitely boost your productivity and save some time for some of you. So that's all I wanted to share with you in this video. Please subscribe if you want to learn even more in Excel, like if you learned something new, and go my Excel course on excelberry.com. Thank you.